Welcome to Module 3, Pools and Spas. In this part of the course, we will cover the following topics: pumps and motors, inspection tips, electricity and electrical safety, and filtration. How the parts work. The volute, sometimes called the diffuser, gives a self-priming pump the ability to handle the air and reprime itself. Impellers move water by spinning. Strainer pots filter out and trap small debris and must be routinely cleaned. The strainer pot attached to the pump likely has an O-ring in between. Check for water leaks. If the O-ring fails, the pump will suck air into the system through the deteriorated ring. Cavitation is a symptom of a problem. It can occur when the impeller doesn't have enough water. Cavitation occurs if the pump is oversized, there's debris in the skimmer, a dirty filter, restriction in the suction line, or a vacuum side leak. The shaft is the cylinder coming out of the motor. It is the part that turns the impeller. The most common motor used for a pool is one that uses a capacitor. A typical motor is a 110-220 volt type. A nameplate should be attached to the motor. The nameplate has a lot of useful information on it that you may need to record for your inspection, including manufacturer, manufacture date, amperage, horsepower, and duty. Now, here are some tips for motor inspection. Keeping the pump in good functional shape involves keeping it dry and cool. The motor should be cleaned and free of debris. There should be no leaks. The strainer pot should be clean. The pump should not vibrate. There should be no unusual or unexpected noises. Electrical systems. It's common knowledge that mixing water and electricity can cause injuries and even fatalities. The next few slides will focus on safety for the pool with its electrical systems. Dry Niche Luminaire. A dry niche luminaire is installed behind a window below the water level and does not allow any water penetration. Typical residential installations have access through the deck box. The glass window is sealed and waterproof. Forming shells. The forming shell for the luminaire is built into the pool wall and supports the wet niche luminaire. No niche luminaires. This is an underwater luminaire that is attached to the pool's wall surface. A mounting bracket is used. Typically, no niche luminaires are installed in above-ground pools.
If you like what you heard here and would like to enroll in our course, just go to www.icaschool.com or call us at 888-374-4096. We have unlimited support and are here to help you every step of the way.